Have you ever been told, "Why are you crying again? It's not even a big deal. Stop being so sensitive." But what if I told you, the people who cry easily are not weak. They are wired differently. And in a world that praises emotional numbness, they might be the strongest ones among us. There's a silent pain that people who cry easily carry. They feel everything deeply. A small rejection feels like abandonment. A harsh tone feels like a wound. And the worst part? They don't just fight their emotions. They fight the judgment that comes with them. Today, we're going to understand the psychology behind this and why crying easily is not a flaw. It's a sign of something much deeper. Some people are born with a more sensitive nervous system. It's called high emotional sensitivity. Their brain processes emotions more intensely. They don't just hear words, they feel them. Imagine this. Two people hear the same criticism. One shrugs it off. The other replays it in their head all night. Not because they're weak, but because their brain is more emotionally responsive. Many people who cry easily weren't allowed to express emotions safely as children. Maybe they were told, "Stop crying or I'll give you something to cry about," or "Good kids don't cry." So what happens? They grow up with bottled emotions, and now even a small trigger opens the floodgates. It's not overreaction. It's years of unprocessed feelings finally leaking out. People who cry easily are often highly empathetic. They don't just feel their own pain, they absorb everyone else's too. They watch a sad scene and it stays with them. They see someone struggling and feel it like it's their own life. This emotional depth is rare, but it also means they carry a weight others don't even notice. Here's the part no one talks about. People who cry easily hate that they cry easily. They try to hold it in during meetings, in public, around friends, but their eyes betray them. And afterward, they feel embarrassed, ashamed, weak. Not because they are weak, but because the world made them feel that way. Let's flip the perspective. Crying means you are in touch with your emotions. You haven't numbed yourself. You haven't shut down. In a world where people suppress everything, you still feel. And feeling deeply is not weakness. It's emotional intelligence. It means you can connect deeply. You can love deeply. You can understand pain, your own and others. And that is real strength. But here's the balance. Crying is okay. Being overwhelmed all the time is not. If you cry easily, learn to understand your triggers. Give yourself space to process emotions. And most importantly, stop apologizing for feeling. So the next time someone tells you, "You cry too much," just remember this. You don't feel too much. They just feel too little. And maybe that's not your weakness. It's your gift. If this video made you feel understood, subscribe for more content like this. Because sometimes the things we think are our flaws are actually our hidden strengths.